Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make this Korean style cucumber salad. It's nice and spicy, it's fresh, and it's giving very much so spring. It's been a minute, so let's get into it. These are my ingredients right here. Don't forget, I always have it in my description box, so if you don't get it in this clip, it'll always be in my description box. And I have my cucumber, garlic, red wine vinegar, the works. So now I'm just going to chop up my huge cucumber. This is a very big cucumber. I tried to find small ones, but they didn't have it available. So right here, I'm just chopping the ends, which is smaller, into coin size. And then once I get to the middle, I'm going to like cut it right down the middle and make like moon shape. But if you find the small ones, you don't have to make the moon shapes. I just don't want huge pieces of cucumber in a salad. But I snack on these all the time. I just pop them into a Ziploc bag, take them in the car with me or whatever, and I keep them moving. They're filling, they're spicy, they're fresh, and they're delicious. So I'm just going to keep chopping these up, and I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright, so now I'm going to chop up my scallion. I'm just using one whole stalk. I'm going to chop up the greens and the whites. Please ignore my wobbly my wobbly cutting board. I didn't level it properly, so that's why it's wobbling, but it's fine. So now I'm going to build a sauce. I'm going to grate my garlic. If you have garlic puree in your fridge, that's totally fine, but I'm grating this huge garlic clove. If you don't have these big old garlic cloves like I do, then use like 2 or 3 of them. You need about 1.5 tablespoons of it to make it, enough. And that's pretty much what I did. So now I'm going to add my sugar down in here. I'm going to add my low sodium soy sauce. I don't want to hear y'all coming up in my comments cussing me out. See, I got light soy or low sodium soy, okay? Do not use full fat salt soy. And next I'm going to add my sesame oil right down in here. It smells so good already. Y'all, this little snack is really, really good and it's healthy. So if you guys give it a try, just tag me and let me know what you think. Next, I'm adding my red wine vinegar. You can use your preferred vinegar. Just don't use like a dark one. Next, I'm going to add my sambal. I'm going to mix this up, and that's pretty much it for the sauce. Alright, so now I'm just going to pour this amazing sauce over the cucumber. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how good this looks. Next, I'm just going to toss it just like this. And you can eat it immediately. I love it immediately because it's nice and crispy, but I also like it when it soaks overnight or for a few hours. It doesn't have to be overnight, just a few hours or whatever in the fridge. Lastly, I'm going to add my sesame seeds and give it one last toss. And that is it. Like I said, it's healthy, it's fast, it's delicious, it's fresh, it's giving spring. Okay, it's not heavy, so you can enjoy this at any time. And if you like spicy food, hey, you're good to go. Eat this instead of eating some hot Cheetos, because I know y'all love y'all some hot Cheetos. Eat this instead, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like once I crunch into it. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.